Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to set up your Amazon Echo device and integrate it into your smart home ecosystem. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox your Amazon Echo. Begin by unboxing your Amazon Echo. Inside the box, you'll find the Echo device, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. Ensure you have everything needed for setup. Step 2. Choose a location. Select an appropriate spot for your Echo device. Ideally, place it in a central location where it can easily hear you and is close to a power outlet. Step 3. Connect to power. Plug the power adapter into your Amazon Echo and connect it to the wall outlet. Wait for the device to power on. The ring light will turn blue and then orange, indicating it's in setup mode. Step 4. Download the Alexa app. On your smartphone or tablet, download the Amazon Alexa app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Once downloaded, open the app. Step 5. Sign in to your Amazon account. Log into your Amazon account within the Alexa app. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one during the setup process. Step 6. Set up your device. In the Alexa app, tap on the device's icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, select the plus button to add a new device. Choose Amazon Echo from the list. Then follow the prompts to select your specific Echo model. Step 7. Connect to Wi-Fi. The app will prompt you to choose your Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. This will connect your Echo device to the internet. Step 8. Personalize your settings. Once connected, you can personalize settings such as the wake word, location, and preferred music services. Follow the on-screen instructions to make these adjustments. Step 9. Enable smart home skills. To control smart home devices with your Echo, you will need to enable relevant skills. In the Alexa app, tap on Skills and Games and search for your smart home devices. Activate the skills and link your accounts as necessary. Step 10. Test your Echo. After setup is complete, test your Echo by saying the wake word, usually Alexa, followed by a simple command, such as, "What's the weather today?" This ensures that your device is responding properly. Important tips. Keep your Amazon Echo software updated through the Alexa app for the best performance. Explore various features and routines in the app to maximize your Echo's capabilities. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new Amazon Echo.